In this demo, we'll show how to enter data using a table and show a form that is formatted as a table. We'll show shortcut keys to copy the previous entry and enter today's date, and discuss links to other tables to limit what can be entered. It is common for a database to have many objects, and therefore it is useful to be able to have a method to quickly navigate to the object you are interested in. I can select the drop-down control at the top of the navigation pane to list the object types. The navigation pane has many methods to search for objects, and in this instance we are going to search through tables to find the object we want, and so I'll select tables and related views. The employees group contains not only the employees table, but also related queries, forms and reports. I'll expand the employees group and double-click the employees table. To start off with, we're going to enter data directly into the table. We want to add a new employee, and we can type directly into the table, and so I'll select the company field on the new record row. Currently, every employee works for Northwind Traders, and so we can copy the entry from the row above. By using the Control key plus an apostrophe, we can quickly copy the previous entry. We are going to fill in a few pieces of information about our new employee. Another useful shortcut key is Control plus semicolon, which enters today's date, and I'll use that for the new employee date of employment. When we go to another record, we get an error. Indexes can be placed on fields to speed up searching and enforce uniqueness. In this case, email address must be unique. Click OK to remove the error message, and then if we change the email address, we can then leave the record. Records are saved automatically as soon as you leave them. There is no need to press save. We are now going to enter data into a form that looks like a table. In the navigation pane, expand Employee Privileges and double-click the Employee Privileges form. It can be useful to create a form like this with a datasheet view, as this allows you to rearrange fields or hide fields that occur in the underlying table. Relationships can be used to ensure that the value you enter in one table must occur in another table. Here you can only enter a valid employee. Notice that the fields have ID in the name. The underlying table actually contains ID numbers, but accesses using the relationship to display data from the related table. We will look at relationships later in this course. We can also view this data in a more traditional form view by selecting the View drop-down arrow and selecting Form View. Now you can have a try at data entry with forms.